have evolved and progressed rapidly. The 9th Malaysian Plan was drawn to respond to the current global needs and to enable Malaysia to stay competitive in the world market. Thus, to keep alongside with rapid technological enhancement and evolving requirements in industries today, Department of Politeknik Education constantly collaborates with major industry players in developing the respective curriculum. One of the most important factors driving the growth of productivity is by having qualified and talented manpower in order for the industry to remain competitive in the world market. In response to these issues, we would like to share some opinion and information from Politeknik of Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah, familiarly known as POLISAS.
POLISAS is one of education services in TVET, so our work vision is to be a leading provider of innovative human capital through transformational education and training to fulfill the needs of the global workforce. The curriculum offered are holistic, which is the courses offered include cognitive, affective, and psychomotor skills. Our program is developed to give balanced emphasis on theoretical and practical aspects. Various teaching and learning methods used in the delivery of the curriculum is based on outcome-based education. The involvement of the industry in the implementation of teaching and learning process of 50 hours a semester is to ensure students acquire relevant learning experience to fulfill current industry needs. The courses offered skill has potential to obtain professional certification as an added value to the student in enhancing student employability.
Our program provides us the knowledge and skills in a field that can be applied to a broad range of careers. The knowledge and skill that the student acquire from the programs will enable them to participate in the job market. As a technical assistant, assistant service manager, service advisor, supervisor, assistant engineer, junior engineer, technical instructor or lecturer, and lastly, technical sales executive.
CNC machining is a process used in the manufacturing sector that involves the use of computers to control machine tools. Tools that can be controlled in this manner include lathes, mills, routers, and grinders. The CNC machining is stands for computer numerical control. CNC machining is used in manufacturing both metal and plastic parts. In our facility, we have CNC lathe and CNC mills. At CNC Machining Center, students be able to learn how to read the drawing parts and components, how to write program for CNC lathe and mills, how to understand CNC lathe simulation and operate machining work by simulation. Students also could get knowledge about automated production facilities, blending and processing of selected components. The processing of parts should be executed, automated, and students should be integrated in the process chain.
In our program through CADCAM Center, students will gain experience in mechanical design, 3D solid modeling, parametric, kinematic analysis, finite analysis, and etc. The primary function of the center is to promote computer-aided engineering application in the field of mechanical engineering and to develop teaching and research expertise for the benefit of the student. The CADCAM Center has a world-class high-end CADCAM software such as AutoCAD, Inventor, and MasterCAM. From our program, students will gain rich learning experience, ongoing professional development, the flexibility to follow a learning model that best fits student career path. Our syllabus are relevant and online to professional certificate for AutoCAD and Inventor. The key benefit of CADCAM to students in Politeknik are to develop the ability to model and adapt the developed idea, to develop three-dimensional visualization, and to understand the need for the quality and precision in making.
In our facility, we have about 2 machine workshops. We have about 60 lathe machines. The lathe is a machine tool used principally for shaping pieces of material and sometimes woods or other materials by causing the workpiece to be held and rotated by the lathe while a tool bit is advanced into the work, causing the cutting action. The basic lathe that was designed to cut cylindrical metal stock has been developed further to produce screw thread, tapered work, drill holes, knuckle surfaces, and crankshafts. Modern lathes offer a variety of rotating speed and a means to manually and automatically move the cutting tool into the workpiece. Mechanic and maintenance shop personnel must be truly familiar with the lathes and the operations to accomplish the repair and fabrication of needed parts.
Welding has been an essential part of the work performed in the world. While the technology of welding has grown fast during that period of time, the need for skilled welder in our sector is greater than ever. Today's welder must be proficient in multiple welding processes. At the very minimum, welder must be able to weld all manner of piping using the manual SMAU and GTAW processes. Here, students are trained for 4 processes of welding, which are oxyacetylene, SMAU, MIG, and TIG. Each semester, students will teach of dissimilar processes, technique, and position of welding. POLISAS has collaborated with UMP for almost 2 years and in charge a program named ICOE. In this program, final year student was offered 2 professional courses, which are Visual Welding Inspector and 3G 6G Welder under C-Suite. According to Department of Skills Development, Ministry of Human Resources, there is a high demand for workers from the welding and fabrication field. The future is bright for technical students who wish to pursue career in this field. Furthermore, graduate students with competency certification is to get in oil and gas sector and inspection sector. Both fields is mutually need each other. In welding field, each weldment must be inspected by qualified inspector, whether welding inspector or NDT inspector. NDT inspector is a competency person which can inspect the weldment part using various methods of NDT. The conventional method of NDT such as DPI, MPI, UT, RI was taught in subject Material Technology 1 to our students. If students are interested in this field, they should continue specific NDT course.
Those information shared by our members from POLISAS indicates that TVET program allows the student to gain practical, work-related skills to enhance their future employment opportunities in industries. See you next time. Thanks for watching.